This video will discuss the PCNF and principal conjunctive normal form and examples. So in PDNF we will see the max min terms. Here max terms. So the max term definition is for a given number of variables, the max term consists of disjunction in which each statement variable and its negation, but not PDNF conjunction. In PCNF consists of disjunction. So in PDNF we called as a min term. The min term consists of conjunction of given variable. In PCNF max term, the max term consists of disjunction of statement variable and its negation. The same as PDNF, PCNF also we are having the two statement variables, that is the P and Q. We are having there are four min terms given by P R Q, P R negation Q, negation P R Q, negation P R negation Q. So it's the same as three variables P, Q and R. The max terms are 8 max terms. Okay. The definition of PCNF is for a given formula is equivalent to conjunctive of max terms, only called as principal disjunctive normal form. For a given formula, an equivalent formula consists of conjunction of max terms, only called as a PCNF, and also called as a product of some canonical form. So we will see the next examples of PCNF. So in this also we have the two methods. One is the truth table, one is the substitution method. So same as truth table method DNF. So first you have to construct the truth table. Next you have to identify the truth value false. Based on the false values you have to construct max terms. Okay, the max terms shows the false value, truth value false. Okay, so the first one is the P conditional Q. So same, first you have to construct the truth table. We are getting the four possibilities. So P conditional Q is true, false, true, true. So here the truth value false is only 1. So that will be converted to the max term. So max term is both values is the false. The max term consists of AND symbol. So when the AND, the truth value is false, is negation P and Q. That is the max term of the given statement form. So next example of PCNF. The given statement formula is P and Q, or negation P and R Q and R. So first we will see that with the truth table. So first you have to construct the truth table for the given statement formula. Finally the truth table truth values is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. You have to write down all the max terms, but you have to consider only whenever we are having the false, that max term you have to consider. For example, here we are having the false, the PQR values is true, false, true. So how you have to write the max term? The max term consists of conjunction connective. So the conjunction connective, when the conjunction connective truth values is false, all the truth values variables truth values is false. So here P is true, that will be converted to false. That's why you have to write down the negation P. Q is false, so there is no need to apply the negation. So negation P and Q, and R is true, that's why you have to apply the negation. That is the one of the max term. The same as remaining 3 max terms. So for the given problem we are having the how many max terms? 4 max terms. The 4 max terms are negation P R Q, or negation R, and negation P R Q or R, and P R negation Q or R, and P R Q or R. These 4 are the max terms of the given statement. Next example problem without constructing the truth table. In the same as the first 3 steps are adopted in the CNF. After that any elementary sum is a tautology is dropped, and max terms are obtained in the conjunction of introducing the missing factors. Is there any missing factors? You have to introduce by using the conjunctions. Next identify the max terms. Any identical max terms are there, it will be deleted. So the problem is negation P conditional R and Q by conditional P. So first obtain the CNF. So for the CNF purpose you have to remove the conditional by conditional. For the CNF you have to remove the conditional by conditional statements. After removing the conditional by conditional, the statement formula is converted to negation of negation P or R, and Q conditional P and P conditional Q. Again here conditional statement is there. You have to apply the Q conditional P is equivalent to negation Q or P. P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P RQ. Okay, so after removing the conditional statement, is there any in front of negations? Is there? No. So directly you go for the next one. So here the given up to here the given statement formula is a CNF, sum product of elementary sums. So it is not a PCNF. For the PCN purpose you have to apply the next variables. So PCNF is nothing but product of max terms. The max term is nothing but the variables and it consists of disjunctive. So here the first statement formula q variable is missing. That purpose you have to write down the f. Why you are writing the false means P or false is equivalent to P. Without no changes of the given statement formula, we can apply the new things. So next one is also same and the third one is also same. For the here missing variable is q. In place of f, you have to write down the q and negation q. Q and negation q is equivalent to false. Here variable missing is q. That purpose you have to write down the q and negation q. Here also r is missing. In place of f, you have to write down the r in negation r. And here in place of f, here also r is missing, r in negation r. So here we are having the R symbols. Here is the N symbol. So directly you have to apply the distributive law. So P R R R Q and is here and P R R R negation Q. And next one negation Q or P or R and P or negation Q or negation R. And the next one negation P or Q or R and negation P or Q or negation R. So these are the product of max terms. The max term consists of the given statement variables and conjunction. So you have to observe, is there any identical max terms? So P or R or Q is one max term is there. So you have to write down that directly. And P R R negation Q. So P R negation Q both are same. You have to delete one. You have to write down the here one. P R negation Q or R. And remaining three are only one identical max terms. So one max terms directly you have to write down P R negation Q or negation R and negation P R Q R R and negation P R Q R negation R. This is the which is the required principal conjunctive normal form. So we are getting the here 5 max terms. PCNF is nothing but product of max terms and PDNF is nothing but sum of min terms. So the max term is nothing but it consists of the disjunction R symbol and the min term is nothing but it consists of the AND symbol. Conjunction of the given statement variable is nothing but PDNF. The disjunction of the given statement variable is nothing but PCNF. Okay, thank you.